So I did a factory reset and set the battery type LiFePO4 and the capacity to 120 amp hours, and I'm trying to top off the charge to so I can begin a discharge. And here we go again. It's frozen. Pressing the button does nothing, and I can't access the SG200 with the iPhone, through the Balmar app. It's trying to, connect to the gateway, and it never connects. So this just happens continuously. The display freezes, and the button isn't, so I have to pull the fuse out and to get it working again. That's the only thing that I can do to, get it functioning again. So the problem is the screen keeps freezing time after time after time after time, and I have to pull the fuse out. Nothing else works. There you go.